Good afternoon, friends. Today we are looking at what Novoscape also provides other than wardrobes and kitchens. This is a hideaway bed done at our recent site. This is the entire bedroom. I am with the client right now. This is the sliding wardrobe with a mirror. And please, sir, if you can do this. This is a complete hideaway bed with a side table, and the internal is a complete headboard done in leatherite. What we have to ensure that this is a complete solution done, because the movement and the smoothness all depends on the weight of the mattress, the size of the bed, the woodworking, and this also has an internal light here for reading purposes. Thank you. So for such kind of other furniture fittings, you can call us on 98190-45053. It's a complete solution for compact room which gives you complete space. Thank you.